Dirty air filters are sneaky little things that mess up your home's air quality and heating or cooling efficiency big time. You gotta keep an eye on those filters and swap them out every 1 to 3 months, depending on your home's dust level and if you have pets. When you leave those filters dirty, your HVAC system has to work way harder, which spikes your energy bills and wears out the equipment faster. Just pull out the old filter, check the size stamped on the side, and grab a replacement that matches exactly. Make sure you put it in the right way. The airflow arrow on the filter should point toward your system, not outside. If you're dealing with allergies or a lot of dust, consider upgrading to a higher MERV rating filter for better trapping of tiny particles. Also, don't forget to check the filter monthly during heavy use seasons like summer and winter so you don't miss when it's clogged. Keeping the area around your HVAC unit clean helps too, so no dirt or debris is getting sucked in along with the air. One of the biggest mistakes people make with air filters is waiting too long to change them, which leads to poor indoor air quality and forces their system to use more energy. Fix that by setting a calendar reminder. Another common slip-up is buying the wrong size filter. If it doesn't fit properly, unfiltered air bypasses the filter and dirt gets in. Always double-check those numbers before buying filters. Last but not least, some folks put the filter in backwards, which reduces airflow and can damage your system. Just look for the arrow on the filter frame to get it right every time. BigHomeProjects.com totally hooks up homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors to find new work and grow their business without all the usual hassle.